Welcome back to my channel, Yolanda de Great Hair Care. Today, we're diving deep into the world of deep conditioners and exploring how just one product can be utilized in 3 incredibly effective ways. If you've been using a deep conditioner in only one manner, you may not be getting the full benefit. Let's uncover the ways you can enhance your hair care routine and give your strands the attention they deserve, no matter your mood, schedule, or hair goals. First up is the quick fix. Perfect for those busy days when time is of the essence, but hair care can't be neglected. After shampooing, simply apply the deep conditioner, allowing it to work its magic for 3 to 5 minutes. This express boost ensures that hair feels loved and nourished without taking up too much of your valuable time. You'll emerge with softer, more manageable hair, ready to take on whatever your day throws at you. Next, we move on to the heat-activated mask, elevating your deep conditioning experience to a luxurious spa moment. Generously apply the conditioner and cover your hair with a shower cap, sealing in the moisture. For the ultimate treatment, sit under a hooded dryer or wrap your head in a warm towel for 20 minutes. The gentle warmth opens up the hair cuticles, allowing the rich ingredients of the conditioner to penetrate deeply. This method is perfect for transforming dry, damaged hair into silky perfection. Finally, let's explore the overnight treatment, a game changer for those who want to wake up with rejuvenated hair. After applying the deep conditioner to damp hair, braid or twist it up for the night and slip on a satin bonnet. This overnight revival method not only provides intense hydration while you sleep, but also prevents damage from friction. Come morning, simply rinse out the conditioner for incredibly soft and luscious strands that feel like they've just had a professional treatment. In closing, each of these methods allows you to get the most out of your deep conditioner, adapting to your daily life and hair needs. From the quick fix to the heat-activated mask, and finally the overnight treatment, you now have the tools to ensure your hair stays nourished, hydrated, and beautifully styled. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on healthy hair care, and thank you for joining me today.